Hello guys, I have these items that I want to create one folder and put them into it. To do this, I just have to bring my cursor down there, right click, scroll down to new, and on the new, I select folder. Now the folder is created. You can do this even on desktop, wherever. So now I highlight the items and I drag them into the folder. Now let's rename the folder. To do this, you right click on the folder, scroll down to rename, select rename, and I want to rename my folder TT, so I type in TT, then enter.